The work week can get pretty boring and leave you sapped of energy if you don't schedule in some downtime to do something to recharge. One of the easiest things to do is schedule in some time to recharge on your lunch break every day. If you don't have a lunch break, you probably need to make some space to allow yourself some time out. You may want to vary what you do each day, but some simple ways to recharge include a short meditation in a quiet space, a quick chat on the phone with a friend or family member, or patting your pet or taking a walk in the park, or even reading a book at lunchtime. Regularly scheduling in time to recharge during the week helps you re-energize you for the afternoon and keep you productive. What are your recharge habits?